again. Once again, empty horses gallop through the violet door, follow red crooked courses, shadows on the moon.